Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It is a terrific ingredient for thickening puddings, soups and pie fillings, and is also used in many baked good recipes. When added to cake, cookie and shortbread recipes, cornstarch helps create a crumbly and tender dessert-like texture. Commercially, cornstarch is often used as an anti-caking agent.
Take our lead.
Use half as much cornstarch as you would flour. For example, if the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of flour, use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. If the recipe calls for 1/4 cup of flour, use 1/8 cup of cornstarch.
Take our lead.
Cornstarch is key in vegan baking, or anytime you don't have an egg on hand. I add it to my baked goods in place of egg, says Penelope Wall, executive editor of eatingwell.com. Mix 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of warm water and you have a great egg substitute in cookies, cakes, or breads.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Cornstarch has uses in cooking and baking to help thicken, blend, and stabilize foods. It contains mostly starch, which is very high in calories and carbohydrates, and it has little nutritional content.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Corn flour is a yellow powder made from finely ground, dried corn, while cornstarch is a fine, white powder made from the starchy part of a corn kernel. Corn flour is used similarly to other flours, whereas cornstarch is mainly used as a thickener.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.